Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll teach you how to use Binance Liquid Swap. Binance Liquid Swap is based on a pool of liquidity. There are two tokens in each pool, and the relative amount of tokens determines the price between them and can always be traded as long as there are corresponding tokens in the pool. Binance Liquid Swap offers more stable prices and lower fees for large transactions. Alright, let's get to the video. Open your Binance app and under Home, tap on Liquid Swap or click More, and under Finance, select Liquid Swap. Under, you will see tabs such as Swap, Liquidity, Pool, My Share, and History. To form tokens and add liquidity, click on Liquidity tab. Please note, adding liquidity into a liquid pool and becoming a liquidity provider is not risk-free. When the market price of tokens fluctuates greatly, the staking income may be lower than the income of ordinary holding of the tokens, and losses may even occur. Click on I confirm that you have read, understand, and agree to the terms of use and conditions. Tap on Continue. Next step is to select liquidity pairs. You can become a liquidity provider for the pair you choose by adding assets in the liquid asset pool. The liquidity provider can enjoy the transaction fee income of users in the pool. You can redeem your share anytime. If you add one asset, a transaction fee will be charged. Click OK. Make sure you are on Add tab and click on the drop-down option to select crypto pairs. Let me look for SHIB/USDT pairs. With this pair, I can add SHIB plus USDT, add SHIB or USDT only. In my case, I'll add my SHIB tokens. Input the amount you want to add on the liquidity pool. This part shows the possible yield. For this LP, it will be 15.9%, but this may change from time to time. It comes with 0.2% fee with 0.06% slippage. This will be my total share for this liquidity pool. By the way, before you use Liquid Swap, please be aware of impermanent loss. Impermanent loss happens when you provide liquidity to a liquidity pool and the price of your deposited asset changes compared to when you deposited them. The bigger this change is, the more you are exposed to impermanent loss. In this case, the loss means less dollar value at the time of withdrawal than at the time of deposit. Once you are decided, click on I agree and tap on Add. If it's your first time adding LP on Binance, you'll have to pass the quiz with 100% correct answers to add in Liquid Pool. Click on Start Quiz.
A few moments later.
Great, I passed the quiz. Now I can add liquidity to Binance Liquid Swap. By the way, don't worry about this quiz as you can retake it multiple times to get the correct answers. Click on Add Liquidity. Please note, staking one coin will swap part of the share value into another coin according to share composites. Then adding two coin swap transaction and slippage fees will affect your share yield. This is the mistake I made as first-timer liquidity provider. So basically, I click confirm and half of my Shiba Inu tokens was swapped to USDT, and that time I'm still at loss due to SHIB price drop. I got tricked with this move, so be careful. My advice is do not add liquidity if you have a single token for liquidity pool pairs. Here's what happened with the other half of my SHIB tokens. It was converted to 916 USDT. It was my first time trying this LP and I thought it was the same concept with staking, but it's not. Under My Share, you will see your total share value, total earnings accumulated, and total unclaimed earning reward. I observed I lost around 300 to 400 in value as impermanent loss.
3 weeks later.
After 3 weeks of providing liquidity, I earned $30 USD. That is from swap fee income and liquidity reward. Let me show you how to claim reward. So for my overall experience, Binance Liquid Swap is not too profitable. I can earn more with other DEX pools like Polydex with higher yield. and better use Binance Staking as it's safer and convenient. Hope this gives you enlightenment and don't make the same mistake as what I did. If this video helped you out, please share your love by clicking the like button, subscribe to support the channel, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you on my next video.